Welcome back to Sawyer Farm. Today we're going to be doing our giveaway, our 20,000 subscriber giveaway. But guys, just real quick, we'll do that giveaway. But I got a little bit of a story to tell you, and it's pretty crazy. So we're gonna have a little bit of story time real quick, and then we'll get into the giveaway. So just the other day, it was just a couple days ago, we had an issue here on the farm. And if you all saw our previous videos right here, this fencing, we've been trying to fence it off better so the chickens can't get in our field, because our chickens have been kind of going missing. And so we've been trying to patch this fence up, and we still haven't got it completely done. We're only about maybe 25 feet short or something like that. And we got all the stuff for it now. We just got to put it up. But at that time, we didn't have the material, and so we've been keeping our chickens in our run for right now because we don't want to keep losing them. But so what happened this day is I'm sitting on the front porch, and somehow the gate got open for the run, so the chickens got out that day, and I couldn't, wrangle them back up, so I was just going to let them free range for that day. So they were out, and I'm on my front porch, and I'm looking out in this field. You can kind of see here over off to the other side, and I see something brown kind of running through the field, and I'm looking at it, and at that time it's probably a good 400 yards out, and so I didn't know exactly what it was. When it started getting closer, I realized it was a coyote, and this is in the middle of the day, and that's not usually normal with coyotes, at least in this area. And when I see it, I didn't think much of it. I think, okay, it's a coyote. And then just within seconds, I'm thinking my chickens are over here, because I saw them kind of in this field, where that's what we're trying to do, trying to keep them out of there. And I see the coyote, and I'm like, he's going to go for the chickens. At this point, he doesn't see them. So I grab my freedom stick, and I come out here, and I'm coming over here, and I'm seeing him, and he's getting closer. At this point, he hasn't seen him yet. And so I keep coming, and then I see him stop, and he just kind of locks in just like a radar. And I said, okay, he knows that they're there. So I'm running at this point. I'm running. I'm trying to get up to the fence line because he's coming in. And he's at a dead sprint now. So we both are sprinting, and you got the chickens pretty much right here is where it all went down at the end. But we're literally running like this. I'm running here, and the coyote's running like this. And we pretty much, kind of where I'm standing is where it was at. And there's a house over here to my neighbor, so I couldn't get him in the field running. I had to wait for him to clear the house, because I wasn't gonna, shoot towards the house. You don't do that. So I had to wait, and when he got over here, he just, boom, he got the chicken. He had a rooster, and he grabbed it and kind of threw it around a little bit, and he picked it up and started running with it. And at that time, I had a good setting, and I aimed in on him. I got him in the crosshairs, and I fired, hit him. He drops the rooster. The rooster takes off running, and the coyote's still going. And it's a smaller caliber freedom stick, so it didn't do a lot of damage. I'm hoping I got him good, but I know I did get him, because he dropped him, and he started taking off, and I couldn't get another shot on him because he went up into the woods. And so hopefully I got him where he's not going to come back and deal with this. And my neighbor, he has calves and everything. We just can't deal with these coyotes coming around, because they're a nuisance. They'll kill his calves, and it's probably one that he's probably been getting our chickens too, with the hawks, because I've seen the hawks do it too. So I know it's not just the coyote, but it has been the hawks. So I saved our rooster. I mean, it was literally seconds. If I waited not even 2 to 3 seconds, even maybe 4 seconds, if I waited, he would have been up in the woods, and I couldn't have got him. It was literally, as soon as I got here, he got the chicken, and I literally took the shot on him. He dropped it. Whenever he dropped it, I tried to get another one on him, but he was already up in the woods. So, I mean, it happened real quick. But I was really glad I was sitting on my porch, and I seen all this, and I just took action, and I came over here very quickly, because if I didn't, we would not have had a rooster. Probably wouldn't even had other chickens, because they were all kind of over here. And so right now we got our chickens in the run, and we're going to be getting some panels. We have them, we just got to go get them, and we're going to be putting them up, and hopefully that will mitigate this type of issue. And I'm hoping that coyote doesn't come back. Hopefully I did the job correctly. But guys, that's kind of the crazy story we had here on the farm. I mean, that's just the way it is when you're living out here like that and you got livestock. You just never know what's going to go on, and you gotta act quick, and sometimes you just gotta move. And if you don't, that's when your animals can go down. So we'll go over to the porch, and we'll do our 20,000 giveaway, and we just are very excited about doing this giveaway, and it is well deserved for y'all. And we really wish we could just do more for y'all right now, but we're gonna go up on the porch and we'll pick these giveaways. All right, so this is what everyone's been waiting for, the 20,000 subscriber giveaway. And y'all deserve it. Y'all have done just awesome for our channel. We really appreciate all the comments and everything. So the first winner, and it's gonna be for the coasters, and you're gonna get 4 coasters, okay? It's just a little 4-pack. So the first winner for that is gonna be So the winner is Jackie Garcia. Now the second winner is going to be Island Design. Now those are for the coasters. So y'all two have won for the coasters.
Yep.
Now the third one is going to be for the cup. And this is going to be the last giveaway. So the third and final giveaway for the cup is going to be
And the third and final winner of the cup is Jeanette Dickey. Thank you guys for everyone who participated. We really enjoyed doing this giveaway for you guys. And for those 3 that won, our email is in the description. If you would just get a hold of us through email or our Facebook farm page, just Sawyer Ridge Farm on Facebook, and let us know your address. We'll get these sent out to you as soon as possible. And one thing about the cups, Sandra Ryder, the lady who is making these cups, she offered to, if you didn't win the cup, she offered to make these and sell them with our logo on them. So if you didn't win the cup and you'd like to purchase one, check out her Etsy store. I'll leave that in the description as well, and you guys can purchase one of her cups from there. She's offered to do that for us. We are very appreciative of that. So if you want one, check them out on her Etsy store.
Yeah, it'll look just like the one that
Yep.
we gave away. So it'll be the exact same one that she'll have in her Etsy store. And
Yeah.
it's pretty cool that she's going to do that and have our cup in her Etsy store. But guys, we really cannot thank y'all enough for all the support, the comments, everyone subscribing and just watching our videos. You truly don't understand how much we really appreciate it.
Yeah.
And we really wish we could do more with the giveaways and things of that nature. And I know we only got to do 3 of them, and we at some point we'll do some more giveaways down the line. But we just really, truly thank y'all for just spending your time on our channel, because without y'all, our channel or any YouTube channel isn't anything.
Yeah.
It's nothing without y'all
It's made up of the
participating.
viewers and so we're really thank you guys for subscribing to our channel.
But guys, we're going to just end it here. The winners, like we said, just contact us to get our information, to get your information, to send it out. So make sure you do that as soon as possible, so then we can get these out to you. But we really thank you all for just stopping by and watching our videos. If you're just coming into this, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications, and you always can leave comments, and we like just talking to people in the comments. But guys, take care, and God bless.
God bless.